Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as always, we are gonna start with the DXY. So yeah, first of all, we see that we had this reaction here. It's true that we are building some seller's liquidity here, and we could have a move to the upside. But in my opinion, first we could see something like this to take all this liquidity from the left and induce all these sellers. As you can see here, we had buyers. Usually when we have weeks, in my opinion, it's because there's lots of volume entering there. So I think we have buyers here. Okay, that's why maybe we could go down, take that. We already took these sellers here probably from the previous daily high, and now we could go down and take these two. Okay, hopefully not in Friday because I'm not gonna be able to trade. Probably I'm not gonna be able to trade because I'm out. Yeah, so on the London strategy, it's true that we had this break here at 8556. On the Euro USD, we are still here in this kind of range, waiting to see what happens to do with the DXY. We will see if we take this one to the upside or maybe this one, this to the downside. But as I said, it would be nice to have something like this. But we will see. And we didn't have a trade in London because in this case, on Euro USD, it was really nice because we had a mitigation, but we didn't take this low. And for me, we need to take it before looking for a trade. In this case on GU, we had it, but it was too early. We had it at 8:35. Here too at 8:35, but the break obstructor was it was here. But anyways, it was at 8:56. And in this case 8:49. Well, it's not the yeah, this euro. In this case we had it at 8:41. So if there are more than 10 minutes of difference, I'm not looking for any trade. Okay, at USD, let me see the London strategy. Oh shit, I think I need to sleep a little bit. So in this case, we had the break at 8:42 too. Then we had the mitigation and really nice trade, but yeah. Then gold. I didn't trade today in all day. I'm working on some projects and I had no time, but we had some nice trades. Maybe I'm thinking about trading on 5 minutes probably. Here we had a really nice trade. But I wasn't at home, I was at work, so I wasn't able to trade it. Here on Bitcoin right now, we had a trade here that I could probably trade. Yeah, but I'm gonna. Well, we are having a buy right now. It's true that this I'm bearish, but well, I'm gonna see what happens. And well, this chart, the weekly chart, still looks really nice. What it would be even nicer is to close above this candle here. That would be really bullish in my opinion. We are bouncing on the RSI how it's called, yeah, MA, yeah, base MA. So we will see what happens. Ethereum holding tight here, it would be the same, nice to close above this candle or at least above the 200 EMA, I think it is, or 300. And Hype, well, holding here, facing this resistance. We will see if we have a Bitcoin, a bullish Bitcoin Ethereum. We will have Hype going up like crazy, maybe reaching the $100. I'm gonna start selling probably at the all-time high. And well, ENA, I can see that it's going a little bit better today, 6% up, but still waiting to look for some entry here. Okay, night, it was speculative. I already sold my position at break even more or less, and I'm not gonna enter right now. And XRP still down all these. It's true that I'm starting to like it. I think there are lots of sellers there reacting to the EMAs. If we go down, we're gonna visit the 0.9293. But we will see. It would be lovely to see a movement to the upside and probably take some levels here. Maybe this one or this one. So we will see, okay? And well, I hope you like it and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.